In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through Google and get support services with Great Notion to set up your Notion account. First, we are going to start by heading to Google. Open your preferred web browser and in the address bar, type in www.google.com. Once you're at Google's homepage, you'll notice it's the perfect jumping off point for a wide range of searches and queries. Now, in the Google search bar, type in Notion. As you type, Google might offer suggestions. Feel free to use these if they fit what you're looking for. Hit Enter, and you'll be shown a list of search results that relate to Notion. We're aiming to access the official Notion webpage from these search results. This will generally be one of the first few links that Google displays. Click on this link, and it should take you directly to the official Notion website. Upon landing on the Notion website, look for an option that says Get Notion Free, and click on it. This is where Notion offers its free version, making it accessible to anyone interested in trying out their tool without upfront costs. After clicking this, you will be directed to a page prompting you to sign up or continue with an existing account. Here, you'll notice an option to continue with Google. Go ahead and click on this button. This option allows you to link your Google account directly to Notion, simplifying the sign-up process and making it easier to manage your account with a single login. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you might be prompted to enter your login credentials here. Once logged in, Notion will guide you through setting up your account preferences. This part aims to ensure that your workspace suits your personal or professional needs. Take your time adjusting settings, choosing templates, and organizing your tools in a way that best fits how you plan to use Notion. Following the preferences setup, you'll proceed to customize your Notion account further to align with your specific requirements. This could include setting up workspaces for projects, personal endeavors, or collaborative efforts with your team. Notion offers a suite of templates for various needs, including project management, note-taking, and contact tracking, each adjustable to fit your daily workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Notion account tailored precisely to your personal needs and preferences. With this account set up, you're now ready to explore and utilize Notion's powerful organizational tools. Whether for personal use or collaborative projects, Notion provides an intuitive environment that helps streamline your tasks and ideas. Thank you for following along, and remember to explore all the features Notion has to offer to make the most out of your